वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मैथ्स विद जीएम सर चैनल। आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। नमस्कार। नंबर सिस्टम में हम लोग होल नंबर्स, नेचुरल नंबर्स और इंटीजर्स, मेनली जब इंटीजर्स आप सीखते हैं तो नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करके सेंटर में हम जीरो लिख देते हैं। जीरो के राइट साइड में ऑल पॉजिटिव नंबर्स होते हैं और लेफ्ट साइड में ऑल नेगेटिव नंबर्स होते हैं। ये हम आपको सिखाते हैं। और इंटीजर्स जो है वो ऑल पॉजिटिव नंबर्स, ऑल नेगेटिव नंबर्स एंड जीरो, इनका जो सेट बनेगा, इन सबको मिला के जो नंबर्स हम यूज करते हैं वो इंटीजर्स होते हैं। तो अलजेब्रा और नंबर सिस्टम में बहुत ही इसका इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है। इंटीजर्स जो है बहुत ही बेसिक इसके ऑपरेशंस में हम ध्यान देते हैं। अलजेब्रा सॉल्व करने से पहले, अलजेब्रा सीखने से पहले इंटीजर्स नंबर सिस्टम में आपको सिखाते हैं पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स को कैसे ऐड करते हैं, और पॉजिटिव के साथ पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिव के साथ नेगेटिव, दोनों नेगेटिव इंटीजर हो तो आप कैसे ऐड करेंगे, ये आप सीखते हैं। और सबट्रैक्शन ऑफ इंटीजर्स में पहले आप देखेंगे कि हम जो है बाहर साइन चेंज करते हैं, और साइन चेंज करने के बाद में जो है जो एडिशंस के रूल फॉलो करते हैं वही रूल सबट्रैक्शन के अंदर करेंगे साइन चेंज करने के बाद में। वैसे ही मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ इंटीजर्स एंड डिवीजन ऑफ इंटीजर्स में भी हम रूल्स फॉलो करते हैं। प्रोडक्ट, दो नंबर को जब मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो प्रोडक्ट हमें मिलेगा। पॉजिटिव इंटीजर को पॉजिटिव नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो पॉजिटिव प्रोडक्ट, और इस प्रकार से सारे जो है एग्जाम्पल के साथ आपको मैं इसमें करके बता रहा हूँ, उसको आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे और समझेंगे। ये चारों ऑपरेशंस ऑन इंटीजर्स आपके लिए बहुत यूजफुल होंगे। अलजेब्रा हर एक क्लास में आपको आएगा, 7th स्टैंडर्ड से लेके जो भी आप मैथ्स पढ़ोगे, तो ये बहुत ही बेसिक चीज़ है, इसको सीखना बहुत ज़रूरी है मैथमेटिक्स में। आप इसको सीख लेते हैं तो आपका मैथ्स का एक बहुत बड़ा जो है पार्ट आप जो अच्छी तरह से सीख लेते हैं। वीडियो को ध्यान से देखिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, पॉइंट्स को नोट कीजिए, इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट को नोट कीजिए। आपके डाउट कमेंट में आप पूछ सकते हैं। वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर कीजिए, आप भी देखिए।
Addition and subtraction. First of all, directly you when add in algebra, you cannot go for without the knowledge of addition of integers in the number system. So we just have a look on that addition and subtraction of integers in the number system. So addition and subtraction of integers you have to first learn. So what is that? Suppose this plus indicate the positive integer and minus indicates the negative integers. Negative integer. When you add two integers, suppose a positive integer is added with the positive integer, then we have to find the sum, add both and the sum will be positive. So positive sum we will get. Sum is called the answer of addition. And suppose we add a positive integer with the negative integer, then we have to find the difference of both the numbers. One is positive, other is negative, and when we are adding, then we have to find the difference. That means we have to subtract it, a smaller number from the bigger number. So find the difference and put the bigger sign. Put the bigger sign. I will give some examples of each one. Suppose a positive integer is added with the negative integer, then also we have to do the same thing. We have to write the difference and again we have to put the bigger sign in that. And if both are negative integer, we are adding both the negative integer, then we have to find the sum and put the minus sign, or we can also say bigger sign, any one will be bigger. So both are negative means we have to put the negative sign. So we can give some examples. Suppose 5 plus 5 is added with the plus 2. So it is very much basic what you have learned in second, third, fourth and first standard. The same thing, 5 plus 2 is 7. So nothing difference in this. And suppose plus 5 means 5 and minus 2 if you have. So one is positive, other is negative. Then you have to add, find the difference. So 5 minus 2 is 3 and the bigger number is 5. So plus, the sign of 5 is plus, so therefore it is plus 3. And suppose you are doing minus 5 is added with the plus 2, then again one is positive and other is negative, then it is 3 and the sign of bigger one is minus. So it is minus 3 you have to put. And suppose both are negative, you are adding minus 5 minus 2, then you have to find the sum. The sum means answer of addition. 5 plus 2 is 7 and we have to put the bigger sign. And therefore now you can see 4 examples, and you can also write your own examples. You have to write and see what you have learnt exactly or not. And this is what we have, addition of integers. Now suppose subtraction, you learnt subtraction. In the subtraction, if you subtract a positive integer from the positive integer, then first you have to change the sign and convert in this form of addition. So after this, here once you have positive integer is subtracted from the positive integer, then first number as it is you have to write it is positive, then this negative is changed into positive and this will change. If you change outside, then the inside what you have is also change. So both they are changing, only the first one is not changing. So it is only outside. If you change plus, then the next number, the sign of the next number is also changing. So it is negative, you can change. And when you subtract a negative integer from the positive integer, then the first one as it is you have to write, and then outside if you are writing positive, you are changing the sign because it is a subtraction, you are changing the sign. So the inside also you will change, it is plus, it becomes plus. And if you subtract a positive integer from the negative integer, then the negative will be same, and outside if you write plus, then inside it become minus. And like this you have to, suppose you are subtracting a negative integer from the negative integer, then the first one is negative, and if outside if you are changing it, then the inside also you will change, and you will do the plus one. And the operation what you are doing in the first one, suppose plus is positive number is added with negative number, then here you see positive is added with negative, then what you have done here, positive added with negative, that same thing you will do with that. Okay, so this is how. And suppose you are doing something like you have here positive added with the positive integer, then positive integer with the positive integer, like this you do. And suppose you are adding both the negative integers, then both negative integers you add it. And suppose you add a negative integer with the positive integer, then negative integer with the positive integer. And what rule you are following for this, the same rule should be followed for this. And also you can give the example. Suppose plus 5 is plus 2 is subtracted from plus 5, then you are writing plus 5, then outside you are changing that minus into plus, and this will change into minus 2. And what you have done here for this, you can see plus 5 plus minus 2, so the answer is plus 3, so you can write plus 3. So directly you can write like that. And this is, I have given one example, and the similar way you can write all the 4. So the addition and subtraction of integer you must know while you are doing the algebra, it is very much important. And also multiplication and division, it is very simple. So let us have a look on it. So again we come to learn the multiplication and the division of integers. Multiply a positive integer with the positive integer, then you have to plus into plus, it is plus, you can remember easily, plus into plus is plus, and the product you have to write. The plus into minus, if you do, it is plus into minus is minus, and then you have to multiply and write the product. Minus into plus is again minus, and the answer of multiplication you will write. And the negative integer is multiply with the negative integer, then become positive product. And in the same way, in the division, positive is divided by the positive integer is equal to positive by positive, which is equal to positive quotient, and the quotient is the answer of division. And positive term is divided by negative term, then the answer is negative quotient. Negative term is divided by positive term is minus by plus is equal to negative, is minus quotient you can say. And negative divided by negative is equals to minus divided by minus, and it is plus quotient you can say. And for example, we can give 15 divided by multiplied by 3, then it is 45 plus 45, and plus 15 is multiplied by minus 3, it is minus into plus, minus 45, minus 15 into plus 3, minus into plus is minus, 15 3 is 45, minus 15 into minus 3, minus into minus plus, 15 3 is 45 you have to say. And the multiplication of any number by 0 is 0 only, so it is into, when you do by 0 the answer is 0, and 0 into 15 is also 0. Here we should not see whether it is positive or negative, 0 is neither positive nor negative. And when you divide 14 by 2, both are positive, so when we have the positive integer we need not put any sign before that, so it is basic what you have learned in 3rd and 4th standard. 14 by 2 is 7, and minus 14 divided by 2, minus 14 by 2 is minus 7. If you find any one negative, then answer is negative. 14 divided by minus 2, 14 divided by minus 2 is minus 7, minus 14 divided by minus 2, then it is minus 14 by minus 2 is plus 7. And that's it in multiplication and division of integer. Now addition.
थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। अब तक आप अगर वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किए हैं तो लाइक कर दीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। आप भी देखिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स को देखने को कहिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।